Hello everyone, this is DDNZ. So another day, another trip. So we'll see. It's been a long time when I went the last time fishing, but yeah, the weather is good. And hopefully stay. How is it? So yep, let's go fishing. Alright, so I got a fish. Another fish. And it's gonna be small or whatever. We'll see. Oh. Small. I think. Small. Whoa. That's it. We'll see. Right. It's small. Another fish. Another fish. Woohoo! This one is angry. Very, very angry fish. Very angry fish. Come on, buddy. Oh, whoa, I got another fish on my another hook, and this is keeper. Woohoo! Woohoo! Oh shit! Come on! Oh shit! Oh, this one is nice. This one is nice. Woohoo! Another fish. Now it's quite good fishing, but not really big ones. It's just like 28, 27, like this. Exactly like fish like that. Oh my gosh. Oops. Right, I got another fish. Whoa. This is gonna be keeper, guys. This is gonna be a keeper. Whoa. I'm sure. It's quite heavy. Heavy. Oops, come on. Yep, this is gonna be keeper. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. This is nice. This is a beautiful fish. Awesome. All right. Wow. All right, so after 3 hours fishing, I have 2 keepers, and it was really bad in the morning. It was very slow, and now it's a little bit better, about midday, so it's good. So I'll show you. So I got two keepers. This one is beautiful fish, amazing. That's 40 plus, and the other keeper is gonna be close to 40. Whoops. So maybe 38. Really nice fish. But yeah, I just caught the 40 plus. It's beautiful fish, like Look, beautiful, amazing. Yeah, so I'm going to stay another maybe, I don't know, what time is it? We have 11:30. So maybe another 1.5, maybe 2 hours, and I'll see how is it. Yeah, another fish. Now I'm a little bit closer to the shore because I was too far. So what kind of little fish is gonna be? Yeah, that's the issue. You come closer and then you have only small ones. Nice. All right, so basically it's after midday and I'm going home. Not much. Yeah, basically since 7:30 I got what I already said, 20, maybe 25 snappers, but only 2 keepers. But they're quite good. They're really nice. It's good size, 40 plus and almost 40, maybe 38. That's what I think. I haven't measured it yet. So really nice fish, at least 2. Yeah, so I'll see when I get back on the water. Yeah, so we'll see when the weather is gonna be good and I can come back. But yeah, for the last 20 minutes, just nothing, not even little bite. So yeah, I'm just going home. Enough for today. Anyway, all good. Thank you very much for watching and see you again. DDNZ.